Now let's talk about the wireless network security. Now, what exactly this wireless network security we are talking about? So it's related to your AP access point, it's related to your Wi-Fi, everything whatever is wireless, we are talking about that security. So when you do have the Wi-Fi and you do not have that password, something whatever the password and you are giving the hotspot, right? So that's a very free Wi-Fi you can tell, right? So anybody can use it, but you need exactly the password for that just to, making sure that yeah, your house, your router, your Wi-Fi, your broadband is actually a safe, right? And you might have heard about that Wi-Fi hacking, right? So nowadays it's very easy to crack the Wi-Fi password, but nowadays you can see the latest version of this Wi-Fi has been come, and now it is more secure, and it's very rare that if you are if you're keeping your password more than 8 character and anybody is using going to crack it. So this is what mandatory to keep secure your wireless and let's talk about this one. That wireless network security focuses on securing Wi-Fi connections, as we were talking about. Wi-Fi networks are susceptible and unauthorized access if not properly protected. So anybody can use it, your Wi-Fi. Encryption is vital for wireless security. So nowadays, encryption is also in place when your Wi-Fi signals, whatever the traffic is coming and going. So all those are also encrypted nowadays. Wi-Fi passwords, often called keys, restrict access to authorized users. Regularly updating Wi-Fi equipment and password is important. Disable unnecessary network features to reduce security risk. Wi-Fi security measures helps prevent unauthorized access to data breaches. Properly securing wireless network is essential for overall cyber security. It's especially important in workplaces and homes with wireless networks. So let's take an example. If you are in your organization and your Wi-Fi don't have any kind of password, right? And anybody whoever the guest or anybody is coming from outside and just connecting from your Wi-Fi, organization's Wi-Fi, and doing some malicious activity, then how you are going to know that he is the person who actually doing it? So that's why those authorizations is very important, and hence the wireless network security is too.